that your business is none of theirs. And that's on what? Period. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. If you're new, feel free to hit the subscribe button down below. It's free to join. Today's video, I'm doing another Boxycharm. I feel like it's my birthday every month now that I'm getting these. But if you don't already know, that Boxycharm is a monthly subscription that you get 5 full-size items for $25 a month. But for me, this was gifted to me by Boxycharm in exchange for a review. So today we're going to do that. We're gonna unbox everything, do a little try on like I did in December. If you guys haven't seen that video, please go check out that video before you check out this video. So this month's theme is Fresh Start, which is perfect. 2021. Happy New Year, everyone, if I haven't said that already. So I'm gonna try out a few items. So the first one I am going to put on is this PORE 4-in-1 Tinted Moisturizer. I got it in the color dark. Retail price is $35. So hopefully this matches. I always like to test on my hand first. Oops, just a little bit. Goes on pretty well. All right, so now let's try it on the face. So yeah. It's way too late. Hold on. Yeah. Maybe this is not dark after all. Oh my goodness. This is way too late. It says a multi-purpose all-in-one broad spectrum sunscreen, moisturizer, primer, and a foundation with SPF 20. That's part of an effortless beauty routine from an ultra natural looking complexion. You know how like when, oh my gosh, some foundations just like set, but do you see like my skin and then like it's way too late. Way too late. Oh my god. Whew. Let me switch out with a brush. See my dark spot? Doesn't quite cover it. I've never used a tinted moisturizer before. It's very lightweight on those days that you want to have like a no makeup look. It's perfect for that. I guess it kind of like, you know how some makeup has to set, and I think that's what I needed to let it do, because it kind of in this lighting looks like it's fine, that it blends well with my skin tone. At first I was scared because that was too late, too late. So for this, I give it a 7. I give it a 7 out of 10. So next up is, I'm not gonna try this on, but it is by FARMACY. It's called the Deep Sweep 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. It's with moringa and papaya. This gotta smell good. I'm not gonna try this on because I just put the tinted moisturizer on and that would defeat the whole purpose. It's alcohol free, it gently exfoliates, it deep cleans pores and controls oil without overstripping skin. It's ideal for combination oily or acne prone skin, which I kind of usually have like oily skin in the T-zone area. And it's acne prone right here. Oh, this is a cute bottle. It's not plastic, it's like a glass. And it says this refreshing daily toner contains a blend of salicylic acid, moringa water, and papaya enzyme to help reduce shine and minimize the look of pores. It's ideal for combination and oily skin. I cannot wait to try this because I use like one part of my skincare routine is I use products that have the salicylic acid, which is a very good ingredient. So I'm happy about this. I'm gonna use this toner and I add it to my skincare routine because, well, why not? So, moringa extract helps to purify skin by removing impurities and pollution residue. And what does the papaya do? I guess the papaya is just for the smell. Just gonna see how it smells. It doesn't smell too bad. The retail price for this is $28. Next up is the Violet Voss I Love You Forever eyeshadow palette. It says this palette was designed with universally flattering olives and hues that complement one another flawlessly. It's packed with the most luxe formulas. I have eyeshadow palettes for days now and no place to go. But that's all right with me. That is quite all right. So this is how it's looking. So pretty. I love this eye makeup look. This retail price for $34. So next up is this Glow Lip Mask. It's meant to be put on at night, but you can put it on during the day as a tinted lip glow. So I'm gonna try this on. It's supposed to boost hydration and glow with this protective lip mask formulated with shea butter, apricot, plus rose hip oils that work together to keep the lips chapped free. It's wintertime, sis. It's made with green apple, pineapple extracts, ooh, pineapple, and to help get rid of lips' unsightly dead skin cells and fine lines. All right, so I'm gonna put this on, but they did put another lip gloss in this box, but I'm gonna put this on first. This smells and tastes good. So I love this. I love this so much. It says before bedtime, coat lips in a generous layer and leave overnight. But this also looks good during the daytime. I'm loving this. 10 out of 10. So this retail price for $25. So last in this box is another lip gloss by Trust Fund Beauty. It's called LIPGASM and it's in the color Unprofessional. And it's a sheer hot peach that will tell the world you mean business and that your business is none of theirs. And that's on what? Period. Consistency is a lot thicker than the last one. This has no smell for me. But it's cute though. It's cute. It has a thicker consistency, no smell, no perfumes, no mineral oil. The other one definitely I like better, but this one is cheaper and this one retail price for $18. So that wraps up this month's Boxycharm. And if you like these videos, subscribe for more. See you next month with another Boxycharm unboxing.